example for the direction cosines. Now if a line makes angles 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree with the line x axis, y axis and z axis respectively, then we have to find the direction cosine of the lines. Now let direction cosines of the line be L, M and N. Alpha, beta, gamma be the angles made by the line with x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Now L is equal to cos alpha is equal to cos 90 degree. M is equal to cos beta is equal to cos 135 degree. N is equal to cos gamma is equal to cos 45 degree. Now let us write the values now. L is equal to cos 90 degree, therefore L is equal to 0. M is equal to cos 180 minus 45, this is a minus cos 45 degree is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 2, and N is equal to cos 45 is equal to 1 upon square root of 2. Direction cosines of a line are 0, minus 1 upon root 2, 1 upon square root of 2. Answer. This is the answer.